Alright, we are here at the USS Midway Museum here in San Diego, California. We got another elevator here. This is number 3. It's another Otis. This one goes to below the decks. This one probably just goes down 1 floor. And here it is. Jam mountain call button. It's an Otis. Let's go to 2. All right, here we go. It's a HydroFit. This is down here. This goes below the decks. All right, let's listen to the motor. Here we go up to M. Door close works after a certain amount of time. All right, let's get a cab view. Sponsored by Southwest. The machine is somewhere over here. Yep, there it is right there. Isn't that cool? Door closed probably doesn't even work at all. Now that I think about it, should have worked. There it goes, and that will be it.